Boxing glove title, The Rise of TheJ, Thunder in the Gloves. In the dim-lit basement gym of Pine Bluff, Arkansas, where the echo of old champions still haunts the walls, a new fighter rises. His name? TheJ. Known in the streets for his wild afro, neon style, and those signature sky blue gloves, he doesn't just bring fists to the ring, he brings lightning. Haunted by a past of being underestimated, TheJ trained in silence. No flashy entrances. No crowd. Just raw will, sweat, and pain. Inspired by a worn-out VHS copy of Hajime no Ippo he watched 100 times, he memorized every Dempsey roll, every peekaboo move, and every ounce of Ippo Makinuchi's relentless heart. But TheJ isn't just imitating, he's innovating. In his debut fight, they called him Afro Toy, a joke. In the second round, after tanking a brutal hook, TheJ smiled and unleashed his custom combo, the Shockwave Barrage, a blur of counters faster than the eye can see. His opponent, out cold. Now rising through the underground leagues, he has one goal, to challenge the legendary Takamura in a special exhibition match in Japan. But first, he must conquer the American circuit, defeat a corrupt boxing syndicate, and overcome the trauma of his brother's past match-fixing scandal. Each fight is more than a bout, it's a message. I don't just box. I electrify.